George Washington's farewell address in plain English. Goodbye, farewell. I am resigning. I have served my country for 8 years, and I cannot serve another 4 years. I spend day after day studying politics. I travel all around the world, and my health is weakening. I also want to resign to show I am not a king, I am a president, and people should have the power. George Washington, Alexander Hamilton, and James Madison wrote an article in the Philadelphia newspaper on September 19, 1796, to let people know about George Washington ending his presidency. He ended the article by saying people should understand the importance of the government and acknowledge religion. George Washington served for 8 years, and he ended his terms gracefully.
Bye, farewell.